Hey Mary, it's Josh Betzel. I hope all is well, and this is that video I was telling you about that's going to be showing you 3 things you can start doing to bring in more customers to your business. Now you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet could benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hand saying, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above the competition, not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but what type of keywords you're using. So I noticed here when I plugged your content on your homepage into Word Counter, you only came up to 162 words. Google really likes to see about 1,500 words on your homepage, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they go and crawl through the content looking for keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So I go over here to my Keywords Everywhere tool. It costs you about 10 bucks for 100,000 credits, which will last you easily a couple of months. But it shows you what keywords your site is ranking for, and I see that you're not ranking for any. So I'm going to go and bring up your competition here, which is Brothers Gutters. Brothers Gutters is your competition because when we go and type in gutter installation Jacksonville, Florida, they're the ranked #1 SEO on the list, okay? So all these people that are searching the keywords are getting directed towards this site, and this is what I'm talking about. Their keywords everywhere. This is all the words they're ranking for. Gutters, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked #1, 480 searches a month. Brothers Gutters, Jacksonville, Florida, that's not you. Gutter installation, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked #1, 480. Gutter repair, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked #2, 70. Jacksonville Gutters, ranked #3, 210. So all these volumes are people searching per month services for gutters in Jacksonville, Florida, and all these people could be directed towards Brothers Gutters just because they're ranked #1. All right, so that's what I'm talking about when I mean keywords and content. The second thing I want to talk about was just how this first page of Google is laid out. Of course, you have the ads, and ads are good, okay? But research shows they're only semi-effective. It could become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. I pray if you decide to go the ad route, make sure you get somebody that knows what they're doing, all right? So we get the ads, and then we have the map pack, Google My Business. So how do you get ranked in this map pack? Well, that makes me go to the second thing I want to talk about, which is citations. Citations is how you get ranked in the Google map pack. And I found you, I believe it was on the 10th page of the Google map pack. We don't want you just on the first page. We want you in the top 3. So when people are searching gutter services, your company's already on their mind, all right? I went over to my little local citation finder by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. Costs you about 30 to 70 bucks a month depending on your plan, but it shows you how many citations you have, and you have 2. If you really want to scale and beat your competition out by a landslide, you need about 200 to 300 of these citations, which is what we call a NAP, name, address, phone number. Anything with those 3 things counts as a citation. All right. So the third thing I want to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice. So what is this link juice I'm talking about? Well, this link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. This link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. I emphasize relative because it's so important, because a lot of digital marketers or SEOs will just start throwing these blog comments, influence links, guest posts, citations, social profiles into their company and their website, but they really don't have that drive and they don't have that integrity that Google likes to see that really ranks your website. So I'm gonna go back over, and this is Ahrefs, by the way. Ahrefs is a phenomenal SEO tool. I use it every single day because, well, I'm a digital marketer, but it basically shows you the referring domains and backlinks, the drive, the integrity. Also has some organic keywords in here too, so you can see it just like the Keywords Everywhere tool. So I really love this tool. If you want to do this on your own, definitely got to get it. So this is your Ahrefs. You have 0 referring domains and 0 backlinks. I'm gonna go over to Brothers Gutters real quick. He has 24 referring domains and 48 backlinks. Very beatable at time. Okay, so I hope this video helps out, and I bet you're wondering what now. Well, before I close this up, I want to go back over the 3 things. So add some more content into your website, all right? At least 1,500 words. Implement those keywords that you were that I was talking about that Brothers Gutters is using, all right? The second thing we talked about was citations. So Citations is how you get ranked in this map pack, and I believe Google My Business offers a 750 character count limit when you're plugging in your description. Utilize that to its fullest, all right? That's going to help you get ranked as well. Add pictures, and reviews are always good, okay? I love that you have 5-star reviews on all 17 of them. That means you're about customer service, which I love. That's the same thing with me. All right, the third thing was backlinks and link juice. You need more relative sites pointing to you guys to show Google you are the authority, all right? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Once again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day.